Imagine building entire cities, but at cost of destroying our natural resource. Today, the concrete is the second most material consumed in the world after the water. Its production depends heavily on natural sands. However, massive extraction is altering ecosystems and consuming vast amounts of water. At the same time, millions of tons of constructions waste accumulate every year. The problem is clear. We build more and more, but at high environmental cost. What if instead of extracting, we start reusing?
Faced with this alarming scenario, we cannot simply sit by and do nothing. We propose using crushed brick powder as a partial replacement for fine aggregate in concrete mixture. Brick powder has pozzolanic reactivity, which improves long-term durability. This creates additional compounds that strengthen the internal structure of the concrete. We tested replacement of 5, 10, and 20% to find the perfect dosage.
What happens if we use brick powder to make concrete? Well, today we're going to find it out. We designed a standard mix of 240 kilograms per square centimeter and evaluated replacement of 5, 10, and 20% of the fine aggregates. In our optimal group, the mix remains within the permitted consistency ranges. This guarantees proper placement on site without compromising workability. Tests revealed that 5 and 10% replacement increases strength compared to the control sample. At 10%, the strength drops, marking our technical limit. We achieve a denser and less permeable matrix, which extends the structure's service life. The 10% replacement offers the ideal balance: superior strength, exceptional durability, and proper workability.
Is our proposal viable? As we observe in the following indicators, the answer is a resounding yes. By substituting aggregate, we managed to reduce production costs by 2%. This generates a circular economy that optimizes budgets for projects of any scale. We align our proposals with BIM and BDC methodologies and visions like material passports. And most importantly, structural safety is certified by our test. We are transforming debris into high-quality concrete cores, ready for the real industry.
Our proposal has a direct impact. We are giving waste a new purpose. We prevent tons of debris from ending up in illegal landfills. We are reinserting these materials directly back into the value chain. By replacing fine aggregate, we are protecting our waterways and ecosystems. We reduce the extraction of natural sand, a resource consumed faster than it can regenerate. Most importantly, we prove that sustainability is also efficient. Our recycled brick concrete is longer and more durable than conventional mix. We are creating a structure with a lower water and carbon footprint.
This project is the result of the hard work of our Unmsm team and ASI members. We are united by the commitment to innovate towards sustainable construction. In conclusion, crushed brick powder is much more than just an eco-friendly alternative. At its 10% optimal dosage, it boosts strength and durability thanks to its pozzolanic activity. We reduce the environmental impact by transforming today's debris into infrastructure. We are convinced that this is the path toward a responsible industry. Thank you very much.